For the class 4, we have the fourth part of Pushpanjali and this is the last part. Here we have Muktaya. Muktaya means the end. Here we start with our right, so we tap 3 times. I hope you all remember Muktayadu where we have 1 Diditai, 1 2 Diditai and 1 2 3 Diditai. Here we start the reverse order. So we do right, left, right and after which you jump and do tai tai diditai. So you do right, left, right, tai tai, thit tai. And then you have left, right, tai tai, thit tai. And you have right, tai tai, thit tai. You need to be very careful here. After 3 counts, we do tai tai diditai. After 2 counts, we do tai tai diditai. And after 1 count, it's tai tai diditai. After which, you just leave a count. You just leave 1 beat and do tai diditai on the left, tai diditai on the right. Come forward, go back to Mulumandi, offer the flowers to the stage, touch the floor, touch your eyes and end your dance with Anjali. Let's do this much with music. Let's do the whole thing with music. Don't forget to practice your revision videos.